Okay, we're going to take a look at a factoring problem that at first probably looks pretty intimidating. You may have learned how to do second order polynomials, polynomials with an x squared, but here we have an x to the fourth. How can we do that? That looks pretty difficult. The trick is to realize we're going to be doing something t squared plus something t squared plus something. And that's the way to do it. You'll notice that, this is basically the same thing you're doing with regular old second order equation, second order polynomial. Your x squared plus something x plus some number. Same type of thing. Now, in that case, we have to ask ourselves, what kind of things can we divide 10? Can we factor 10 into? Well, 10 can be 1 times 10. It can be 2 times 5. And that's just about our options, unless we want to start getting into decimals, and we're not going to do that today. Okay, so let's check out our options, see which ones work. We have t squared plus 2, t squared plus 5. What does that give us? Well, we get a t to the fourth, because t squared times t squared gives t to the fourth. 2 times 5 gives us 10. Okay, so that's our first term and our last term gives us. That's good. Okay, let's check out 2 times t squared gives us 2t squared. And t squared times 5 gives us 5t squared. Uh-oh, 7t squared. Does not match our 11. Okay, we did wrong. That's not going to work. Let's try it again. Let's try with the 1 times 10. So we're going to have t squared plus 1, t squared plus 10. Okay, will this do any better? Let's find out. Okay, well, once again, 1 times 10 gives us 10. Okay, that's good. T squared times t squared gives us t to the fourth. Good. Let's check out our middle terms now. 1 times t squared gives us t squared. T squared times 10 gives us 10 t squared. It's a squared right there. Which is 1 plus 10 gives us 11 t squared. Okay, so that tells us that this is the wrong one. This is the correct one. That's the correct way to factor it. Okay, remember guys, keep working hard. Anybody can learn math if you put in the time. Keep working hard.